See, to install HTML code editor, you need to go to first where to Play Store. Then from here in the search option, you have to type what? TrebEdit. Okay. TrebEdit, mobile HTML editor you have to type. Then you will get an option, that software option you will get, TrebEdit mobile HTML. Then you have to install that. Already I have installed it, so it is asking me to open. It is only 5 MB software, so you have to install that. After installing, it will ask you to open that software. Okay. When you open that, you can see the screen like this. It will be recent files will be stored here. You can see just now in front of you people only I created a simple.html file, right? So you have to, when you will open like this, you are going to get a screen and a menu option you can see here right side down. Here menu option will be there, learn to code. If you want to learn code, you can learn in this software. When you click on learn to code, you can see HTML you can learn, CSS afterwards comes CSS in the next program I will tell you, and JavaScript and all will come. Here you can learn. Okay. If you click on learn option, what thing you want to learn, option will be available here, right? You can learn this. HTML you want to learn, just click on learn HTML. Then whatever notes I had given, right, those all notes you can see here in this software also, if your mobile is connected to internet. Okay. Then afterwards, if you want to learn about CSS, just come back and click for CSS. Okay, afterwards CSS option will be available here down, you can see here. Okay, see these all HTML examples and all are there here. Okay, when you click on next page, next introduction part will come. Okay, using these tags and all, you can create your HTML, simple HTML programs. See, HTML editors, introduction, basic elements, and HTML CSS also you can learn here. CSS means what? Anyone knows here? Cascading style sheet. Here see, you can see on the screen, CSS stands for cascading style sheets. CSS saves a lot of work, means you can make your pages, web pages attractive with multiple colors and designs using CSS codes, that is what cascading style sheets. Okay, so here what all things you can learn in the code. Okay, get source code means you can put any of the link also here and you can go. Afterwards I will tell you about this. Workspace means here you can create your files. See here, already I had created a simple HTML file, right, and program HTML file, one HTML file. These all are already created files, and one folder also I created, that is called .html folder, right? Like that in the workspace you can create your all the files, those all will be stored in your workspace. Next, text editor means here you are going to type your programs. Just now I typed a small program to display what? My first heading and my first paragraph, right? So like this you are going to create this. And how to run this? Here play option will be there, just click on that. You can see this output on the screen like this. Okay, so now here how to create a new file. Just now I will tell you. See, you have to go to text editor, then here then here folder you can see, no folder here up, you have to click on the folder and opened file already are there. If you want to create a new file, you have to click on where? You have to click on this plus sign. Then it is going to ask you to create a new file. Then you have to click on create a new file. Then here it will ask you to give the file name, so you have to give a file name. So once again, simple only I will, simple one dot html. I will give the file name as simple one dot html. Okay, now save this file. See, it is saved. You can see here it is saved with simple one dot html. So if you want to type any text, you can type here. Okay, so I will just paste here, and see, just now whatever I had in the paragraph, if you want to type anything extra again, then you can type by using this your keyboard only. See, like this. Then you have to close your paragraph here and save this once again and run the program. See, my first paragraph, my second line. So second line is not coming down, right? If you want to take your second line down, then you have to take one option here. What option? I will tell you. See, here you have to use what? One more tag. That is what here I will tell you. BR tag. That is what? Break tag. Okay, save this and run it. Now see, when you used that break tag, the line, second line is coming down, right? Like this, so many tags are there. So you have to go through those all the tags. And here so many tags or the tags also are there for the headings. H1, H2 till H6 tags are there. When you take a H2 tag, see, I will show you. When you take a H2, little smaller than H1 it will be. Okay, see, sorry, H2 tag when you take, automatically closing tag also is going to come. Okay, not necessary to take a closing tag here. See, whatever you are going to write in the H2 tag, that will be little smaller than H1 tag. Okay, my second heading you can type here. My second heading. Okay, if you want to break this, you have to take what again here? Break tag, BR tag, right? See, now save this and run it. See, this was bigger and this was little smaller than this, right? This is the difference between H1 H2. If you take again H3, I will show you. See, H3, sorry, see, automatically H3 closed tag is opened, and here you can type your text. My third heading, like this. See, my third heading, like this you can type. Next again H4 till 6 headings are there. Okay, I will take CH4. Then here type fourth heading. Again next I will take fifth one, H5th. Then type here fifth heading. Next I will take sixth one, last one, H6. Total 6 headings are there. Okay, sixth heading. See, like this. Save the program and run. What will be the difference? You can see now. See, understood? First heading will be bigger, second heading will be smaller, third one again smaller, fourth one again smaller. These are the headings with a bold letter, but little difference between these headings. Understood? This heading tag at least understood everyone? You can hear me? Hello? See, title. Okay, this whatever I am doing now, I will record this and I will send you to your app. Afterwards you can see this. Okay, see, title heading, by using title, whatever you are going to write, that will be display on your title bar. Okay, by using heading, title or headings, you are going to display your text like this with the bold letters, and using paragraph, whatever you are going to type now, that will be displayed like this. Okay, this much you understood now. Here using these all tags you are going to do your programs here. Okay, now here 4 programs complete. I have completed 4 programs, right?